This is how the administrator commits StockTake. Everything that has been scanned in the StockTake will be marked as in stock, and everything that was not scanned in the StockTake is marked as out of stock and unavailable for pick lists. We're now logged in as a manager, and we are going to return to the StockTake administration screen. Select our warehouse and see how the StockTake is going. So you can see that of this particular stock code, they counted 1, and there should be 900 in stock, whereas this one they counted 99 and there should be 1 in stock. So at this point the manager should get them to check up on those two that look very different, and these ones have not been counted at all, and these ones also are only partially counted. This is the detail of the serial numbers that have been counted. So you can see the time and date and the details of who counted them. At this point you can download these files to Excel as we showed in a previous video. If you clear the StockTake, then they will need to start scanning again. Normally they can fix the StockTake just by rescanning some of the items that they've scanned or miscounted. You can pick that up here, and if everything is correct, when you say show still to scan, this should be minimum, because this is the list that the system thinks is in the warehouse in stock and not yet scanned. So this list should be reduced. Assuming that the StockTake is accurate, then you can say commit StockTake. What it does is all of these ones it moves out of stock, regardless of their status or where they are. It marks them as out of stock, no longer in stock because they were not scanned, and all of these items in the details it marks as in stock because they were scanned. That's pretty much what you're doing, moving all of these items in stock, and all of these items that are still scanned out of stock. So anything not scanned goes out of stock, anything that was scanned goes in stock. So we're going to commit the StockTake now. It said 45 items taken out of stock, so they were moved out. And if you go and try and scan any one of these items onto a pick list, it'll say item is out of stock. That's pretty much what the administrator does, and then repeats that for the other warehouse. If I click on show still to scan now, 0 still to scan, because the warehouse has now been updated with the reality of what was not scanned. So really select the warehouse to summarize, review the report, show summary, show details, show still to scan, and then commit the StockTake if the results of the scanning look acceptable.